Welcome back. The 2025 Honda Accord is sure to make a big splash. A lot of people are excited about the 2025 Honda Accord as a family car. This video shows the newest theories and guesses about how the 2025 Honda Accord will look. We will also give you information about when the new model is likely to come out, how much it will cost, how well it performs, and what features it has. If you love Honda cars, watch this movie. The stylish lights look great with the pearl white color of the car. In contrast to Toyota's efforts to become the best-selling car company in the US, Honda is adding a new Sport L trim to the 2024 CR-V to increase its appeal to buyers young and active with a hybrid engine. This new generation of cars will have a bold update, a tech-savvy interior, and Honda's famously low gas mileage. What do we know now? Let us take a closer look. The 2025 model looks more modern and efficient thanks to its new grille and curved body lines. Imagine a classy mix of sportiness and technology. It looks new because it has sleek LED headlights and taillights. The 2025 Accord Hybrid has a cabin that is designed with the driver in mind. It has an updated entertainment system that works with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It has a bigger screen and can hold more things. Speech identification and a lot of different links. With its comfortable seats and high-quality materials, this luxurious car is ready to take you and your guests on the perfect trip. There are reports that the 2025 Accord Hybrid will have the same 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and electric motor combination that makes 212 horsepower. That's good news for gas mileage. It should be better than the current model's average of 48 miles per gallon. There could also be a 1.5-liter and a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, but they are not hybrids. The 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid is likely to come out in the first part of that year, even though Honda hasn't said for sure. We think pre-orders will begin in the second half of 2024. The price is also unknown, but experts think the base trim will start at around $28,595, based on the features and technologies. The 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid is likely to be a big deal in the market for medium sedans. While we wait for the official unveiling of this vehicle, which promises better gas mileage, a sleek exterior, and an interior packed with technology, stay tuned for more information and confirmed details. Are you excited about the 2025 Accord Hybrid? Thanks for watching.